In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to a deal in HubSpot. Adding the right people to a deal keeps communication smooth, responsibilities clear, and follow-ups on track. In HubSpot, the primary way to designate who's responsible is by assigning the deal owner, which effectively sets the main collaborator on that record. Let's walk through it together so you can do this quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Log into your account using your usual method. If your company uses single sign-on, follow those prompts. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace where your deals live and that you have permission to view and edit deals. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the CRM section. This is your central hub for objects like contacts, companies, and deals. Click CRM to expand it if it isn't already, then choose Deals. You'll land on your pipeline, either in a board view with stages or a list view. Both work the same for what we're doing. Open the deal you want to work on. If you have a long list, the search bar at the top is handy. Just enter a deal name or keyword to find it faster. Click the deal to open its record page. You'll see the timeline in the middle with emails, calls, and notes, and property panels along the left with key details. On the left panel, locate the property labeled Deal Owner. This identifies the main person accountable for the deal and ensures they receive relevant notifications and appear in your reports and assignments. Click the drop-down next to Deal Owner. You'll see a list of users from your HubSpot account. Use the search field in that drop-down if needed. Then select the teammate who should own this deal. Keep in mind, you can only assign users who already have access to your HubSpot portal. As soon as you make your selection, HubSpot saves the change automatically. There's no extra save button to press. You may notice a quick confirmation or a brief status indicator, and the owner's name or avatar will update in the property. That's it. The primary collaborator is now set. If you ever need to update ownership, just return to the same property and pick a different user. Assigning the correct owner keeps tasks, notifications, and reporting aligned, which helps everyone stay on the same page as the deal moves through your pipeline. And that's how to add collaborators to a deal in HubSpot by assigning the deal owner.